Why don't I go directly to the listing agent so that I don't have to pay the commission for you?
Dan, that's a really good question.
Hey guys, welcome to the Tron Real Estate Group YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna ask John about step to becoming a homeowner. Hi John.
Hey,
So what is the first step becoming a homeowner?
the first step to becoming a homeowner is to get a good agent.
What is the good agent and how do you find them?
That's a good question. What is a good agent? There's so many ways to find a good agent. The first step is if you have a friend that already working with an agent, the best way is to go through a referral because your friends already trust that agent. They probably did a good job. That's why they're referring them to you. So first way is to ask for a referral. Second way is you can Google anyone up. But when you Google someone up, you want to ask yourself, hey, is this agent have a good track record? Is this agent knowing the area? Is this agent knowing the school and the neighborhood?
So how would that agent helping?
You know, there's many ways the agent can help you. The perfect way the agent can help you is to meet with you first to do a buyer strategic consultation.
Okay, that's good, John. But I just have a question. Why don't I go directly to the listing agent so that I don't have to pay the commission for you?
Then that's a really good question. Why should you not go directly to the listing agent? Very simple answer. That because the listing agent will not negotiate for you because the listing agent represent the seller. So they will negotiate this for the seller. So you will have to pay the highest and best price for the seller, and you will not have any ability to negotiate, and nobody will negotiate for you. Instead, us as a buyer agent will negotiate for you, and throughout reading the report carefully, know what is wrong, and advising you on what inspection to get so that you can get more money for your house.
Thank you, John. That's a good answer.